Hey, what's going on, guys? This is an audio only video of the COVID-19 pandemic in India, and we need to keep India in our prayers. And according to NBC News, India accounts for 33% of all new COVID-19 cases worldwide. So, out of every three new COVID-19 cases around the globe, one of them is coming from India. So that is a very bad situation. Also, CNN did a story on a 25-year-old pregnant lady who was pregnant with the couple's first child. And she was trying to go around to hospitals, trying to get a hospital to take her husband. Her husband was infected with COVID-19. Well, four of the hospitals had rejected him due to lack of space and lack of oxygen and lack of available medical care. Well, they finally got one that would take him, but the hospital that took him, many patients around him are dying. Many are dying and have never seen a doctor, even though they have been admitted to the hospital. Her husband's lungs, 80% of that lung capacity is infected with the COVID-19. And now he's wanting to leave the hospital. There have also, because it's just so depressing there and he's not getting much medical care. Also, there have been COVID-19 patients dying in waiting rooms before even seeing a doctor. And the shortage of doctors being able to handle the COVID crisis in India is so bad that many of the medical students in India in medical school, they are being pulled from taking exams, and if they finish most of their medical school already, they're going to hospitals to help fight the COVID-19 crisis. So it is just a very, very dire situation in India right now. What I don't like is that the American media is in a lot of ways politicizing the event, just because India's Prime Minister, Modi, is a conservative, nationalistic Prime Minister. Some things he's done I agree with. Some things he's done I vehemently disagree with. But politicizing the event, regardless of who is in power, is a low blow. Modi deserves some of the blame for this, but a lot of it he could not control. Now, his government should have not said the COVID pandemic was close to being over, and that was right before the third wave hit and people stopped taking precautions. That did go on. But what also went on is he tried a lockdown early on when it happened, and India didn't get hit by the COVID as bad as other nations. But India's economy went into a depression, basically. Well, a recession, and if India was going to keep the lockdown, they were going to go into a depression. So he had to ease some restrictions to keep India's economy afloat. So it was kind of like damned if he does, damned if he doesn't. So just stop politicizing the event. Regardless of what political party you adhere to in America or in India, we need to get behind India and pray that the COVID-19 crisis in that country ends. So I hope everybody's doing well. Take care. God bless them. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.